Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make money online just sharing links on your Facebook timeline, or maybe you create a landing page for this. Okay, I will teach you the exact steps on how you can make serious money on the internet. Okay, so please, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like I said always, most persons use URL shortening services, but they don't know they can also make money from it. Okay, they don't know they can actually make money from it. This is ABR Tech. ABR Tech is a tutorial channel, or should I say, make money online channel, where we teach people how to make money online the simplest way without stressing themselves. All right, on this channel, we teach you exactly how you can walk like an ant, then you eat like an elephant. It's something very simple, something basic, and we try to break things down in its simplest form. All right, so all you need to do is just to subscribe to our YouTube channel, since we're going to be updating you with this kind of video tutorial on how you can make money online. All right, so what we actually do most times is to try out things. Whenever we try out things, they work, we bring it up here for you to also use and make money online. Unlike I earlier said, that most persons are not even aware that URL shortening services pay you for sharing their link. After you shrink your link and you share to others, you will be able to earn money with it without doing other stuff. All right, so all you need to do is just to copy the link. You sign up an account with them, get you shorten the URL, share it elsewhere. Whenever they click, customers click on these links, they will be shown an ads. All right, whenever they are shown these ads, you get your own pay, your own share from this link. All right, so I will advise you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Okay, here is the actual link. All right, what we are seeing here is the actual link, and this is the shortened URL, something like this. All right, so this I got this from bit.ly. Okay, when you search for URL shortening services, you see something like that. Okay, so but for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to be using a popular site. All right, so you're going to be registering an account there. Whenever you register, make sure you confirm your email, and when you confirm your email, you are good to go. All right, so we're going to be starting the whole stuff now, like show you exactly how you can create the account. And when you create the account, then you should start sharing your links for you to start earning on adf adf.ly. That's the website. All right, so you get paid for everything you do here, like you shorten the URL and you share the URL with your customers, you get paid for it. Okay, so what you should be doing now is just to go through the whole stuff. All right, go through everything, you will see the steps and everything you need to know about them. Okay, so you can kindly follow by clicking the join. You input your name, enter the necessary details you need to enter, and you are good to go. Then for the capture, don't forget to write exactly what you see there, the code shown, like M8WBMN. All right, so just input your email, and when you have your email there, you copy the email again and confirm the email. Okay, you repeat email, then you choose your password. Choose something you can always remember so that you don't forget your password. All right, so and the username, don't forget to use something you can also remember. Input your full name and everything, then go with the capture code. All right, go with the capture code, and when you're done with that, then you move to the next steps. All right, when you click on the sign up, you will be taken to the next page where you need to confirm your email, then you log in and start making money. Okay, so this is very important. Do you want to share link and make money, or you advertise your site? Like, this is exactly how these people make their money. Whenever the advertisers pay, and you as a publisher start working, and they show you ads to customers, you get paid for those ads they share to customers. All right, they show to customer why they click your link. All right, they shorten URL. That's exactly how it works. It's something very simple, and everybody can do it from the comfort of your home using your mobile phone. All right, so all you need is just internet connection, and you are on the go. It's something very simple that any other person can do. All right, so just follow the tips. Okay, here I think I made a mistake with the capture. All right, look, let me just scroll up and see something. What's the problem? Okay, the capture. So I'm going to be refreshing the capture so that they can show another capture to me. Since they are saying this one is incorrect. Okay, someone be using a different captcha, and when I use this captcha, I'll be taken to the verification stage, which is for me to verify my email. Okay, there are numerous URL shortening services that pay you, but I believe this works better. All right, adf.ly, they work better. Now go and confirm your email. All right, so it will take my time. Let me go and confirm the email. While I'm confirming the email, yourself, you can start the accounts and start making money online with it. It doesn't cost a thing. All right, so the best you should also do is think about creating a landing page. Okay, kindly create a landing page. This will help you make money faster using this URL shortener. Maybe you can just create a movie trailer, okay, in form of a landscape or portrait. Then you post it on your landing page, or when you post it on this your landing page, the next thing you should do is just to embed the link on the movie trailer, so that it will increase your CTR. All right, it will increase your CTR. That's the best way you can make money with this. Now I'm trying to log in, but since my email has not been confirmed, it won't work. All right, I'm trying to confirm my email, but it's taking my time. Okay, it's taking my time. I'm supposed to confirm the email. So now to confirm your to create a landing page for this, I won't advise you to go for paid landing page like Builder or all other stuff. You can kindly go to site.google.com to create a free landing page. All right, we once created a video on how you can set up a free landing page on Google site. All right, so check our videos below. You'll be able to see where we teach how you can create a free landing page without spending a dime. All right, you can also sign up with a Facebook on this site, or maybe you sign in directly. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And whenever I'm able to confirm my email, then I will show you exactly, you will see exactly how it's done. All right, so simply create an account, and when you create this account, go to your dashboard and start shortening URL. Then you can watch your live start, how it's performing and how you get paid. All right, you get your payment via PayPal and Payoneer. All right, these are popular company where you can do this. All right, so please, in case you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. All right, so this is ABR Tech, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way with your smartphone and just your data from the comfort of your home.